Welcome to LifeO Fusion, your ultimate destination for mastering CSIR NET Life Sciences and NEET-Biology. On this channel, we fuse the realms of scientific knowledge and exam preparation to bring you comprehensive tutorials, in-depth explanations, and problem-solving sessions to ace your exams with confidence. Whether you're gearing up for CSIR NET Life Sciences or tackling the biology section of NEET, we've got you covered. Join us as we dive deep into the intricacies of life sciences, dissecting complex concepts and making them accessible to learners of all levels. From molecular biology to ecology, from genetics to physiology, our content is tailored to empower you with the understanding and skills needed to excel in your exams. But that's not all. We also offer question-solving sessions where we tackle challenging problems and provide step-by-step solutions, helping you sharpen your problem-solving abilities and reinforce your understanding of key topics. Subscribe now and embark on a journey of learning and growth with LifeO Fusion. Let's fuse the elements of knowledge and preparation to ignite your success in the world of life sciences.